Hola, and welcome to this section on snacks. The first thing we're going to learn is how to ask, are you hungry? Okay? So that's tienes. Tienes. Can you say that? Tienes. And then we're going to say hambre. Hambre. So it's tienes hambre. Are you hungry? Tienes hambre. And if you want to ask more than one person, like if there's two people you're talking to, if they are hungry, you would say tienen hambre. So can you say that? Tienen hambre. Are you hungry? To more than one person. So we just learned tienes hambre. Are you hungry? And when you're talking to more than one person, it's tienen hambre. Great job. So how might you ask, I am hungry? That is tengo. Can you say tengo? And then hambre. Hambre. Tengo hambre. I am hungry. Say that with me. Tengo hambre. Good job. Now, what if you want to say we are hungry? You would say tenemos. Can you say that? Tenemos. Good. And then hambre. So tenemos hambre. We are hungry. So remember, tengo hambre. I am hungry. Tenemos hambre. We are hungry.
Hola, Bogart. Let's ask Bogart, are you hungry? Do you remember how to say that? It's tienes hambre. Bogart, ¿tienes hambre? Bogart does not look very happy, and the food has a big X over it. So Bogart's answer is no. So he would say, no, no tengo hambre. Hola, Kobe Jack. Let's ask him, are you hungry? Do you remember how to say it? Tienes hambre. Are you hungry, Kobe Jack? And look, he's got food above him, so he's thinking about food. So his answer is yes, sí. And then he would say, tengo hambre. I'm hungry. Tengo hambre. Do you remember how to ask more than one person if they are hungry? That's tienen hambre. Tienen hambre. So Maria and Pedro, tienen hambre? Are you hungry? How would they answer, we are hungry? If you thought, tenemos hambre, you're right. We are hungry. Tenemos hambre.
Let's sing a fun little song to help us remember what we just learned.
¿Tienes hambre? Are you hungry? No, no tengo hambre. No, I'm not hungry. ¿Tienes hambre? Are you hungry? No, no tengo hambre. No, I'm not hungry. ¿Tienes hambre? Are you hungry? Sí tengo hambre. Yes, I'm hungry. ¿Tienes hambre? Are you hungry? Sí tengo hambre. Yes, I'm hungry. ¿Tienen hambre? Are you hungry? Sí tenemos hambre. Yes, we're hungry. ¿Tienen hambre? Are you hungry? Sí tenemos hambre. Yes, we're hungry. ¿Tienen hambre? Are you hungry? Sí tenemos hambre. Yes, we're hungry. ¿Tienes hambre? Are you hungry?
This is the end of the lesson. See you tomorrow.